Indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli imbukela inaze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Le bhasi zekumnqo. Xa ndijonga le bhasi ngoba ayisahambi kulayini yayo iza kumsebenzi ndayiphepha. Into yophepha kambe ngizotshayisa kumbe ecangweni ecangweni edibana ne-train.
Kushone abantu abayishumi kwalimala ababalelwa ema-30 engozini ebandakanya ibhasi neloli eyenzeke emgwaqeni u-N6 phakathi kwase-Reddersburg nase-Smithfield esifundazweni i-Free State.
Kodwa sifuna nje ukuthi bazi abantu ukuthi u-ANC ufuna ukubeka kakhulu ukuthi abantu esibathumela bawosebenzela abantu.
Thimba lobuholo obusha be-ANC KwaZulu-Natal lithi lizoqinisekisa ukuthi liqapha ukusebenza kwamalunga leli qembu ajutshwe ezikhundleni kahulumeni nasesishamthetho sesifundazwe.
When Kelly arrived, she asked for where the child was, and she was told that the Rents, a lady they were smoking tech with, had sent the child to go look to check on her own child.
Namhlanje enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ehlele Saldanha Bay ibilalele kufundwa incwadi efungelwe kaKelly Smith nongomunye wabasolwa abathathu ababhekene necala lokuthumba indodakazi yakhe uJocelyn Smith nyakenye. Mbukelisi kubingelele sikwamukele indaba enza kusihlwa enizethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali ihlabanga lelimhlopheqa ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje siphethe ziphi. Amaphoyisa aphenya icala lokubulala nokungenhloso kulandela ingozi enyantisa igazi okuphangalele kuyo abantu abayishumi emgwaqweni othela wayeka u-N6 phakathi kweReddersburg neSmithfield eFree State. Intombazanyana ebineminyaka emibili ubudala iphakathi kwabaphangalale kanti abanye abangama-27 balimele kule ngozi.
Kubikwa ukuthi le ngozi yenyantisa igazi yenzeke ngezithuba zehora lesithathu entathakusa namhlanje. Ibhasi beligibeze abantu abasuka eGoli belibangise edutywa esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Abasinde ngokulambisa abalandisa ngokwenzekile kulesigameko.
Besisuka eLondon siya eWilberg siyolayisha khona inkomo. So driver lona xa sifika apha eRoville satshintsha ngokuba kuba driver. So sizojika abasanyuka xa not about 5 km mangene eReddersburg. Le bhasi zekumnqo. Xa ndijonga le bhasi ngoba ayisahambi kulayini yayo iza kumsebenzi ndayiphepha. Into yophepha kambe ngizotshayisa kumbe ecangweni edibana ne-train.
Bekune truck eza phambi kwethu yeqe iline le ingahambi kulane yayo yaza kwiside lethu and iza very fast. So driver ke ngoku watraya ukuzama usa ibhasi esefidini ukuthi ime. Yeah. And think yahamba neside lebhasi on the right side.
Ezinsukwini ezintathu nje ezedlule sekuphangalele abantu abangama-22 ezingozini ezintathu emigwaqweni yakulesifundazwe. Iningi labangeniswe esibhedlela nokho lisesimweni esithembisayo.
The sense we got is that 3 of them are a bit of a concern but not very serious. It is concerns that can be medically managed. We further really want to convey our sincerest condolences to those that lost their loved ones. At the moment, the police will investigate and determine what exactly happened.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kusasa uzovakashela ubuholi besifundazwe eGauteng nalapho ezobe egxile esimweni esingesihle sohulumeni beyindawo kulesi sifundazwe esiyisizinda somnotho wakuleli. Kumanje iGoli likhungethwe inkinga zokuhlinzeka izakhamuzi ngeinsiza zikahulumeni.
Masipala baseGauteng ikona okuzoba seqhulwini kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa njengoba ezoxoxisana nobuholi besifundazwe eGauteng. Bonke ke omasipala abasesizindeni somnotho babhekene nengqalasizinda esindala kusukela emgwaqeni ungabikho kwamanzi kanye nokufudukela kwabantu kuleli dolobha.
There are challenges in terms of infrastructure indeed, especially in our cities, and in this case I would respond about Johannesburg in particular, where we are faced with road infrastructure challenges which require us to be able to raise enough capital to attend to those.
Imeya yaseTshwane uNasiphi Moyo usecele bonkoza kwabo kuba baqonde umthele uguquguquka kwesimo sezulu komasipala.
Do we understand the challenges, the pressing challenges that we are facing as these cities? Not only do we understand what are they, so is it climate change, but do we know how to translate what climate change means for Africa? Because in most cases we use terminology that Umagogo in Winterfeld won't understand. And when we talk about climate change, we must communicate on behalf of our residents.
Uhambo ke lukaMengameli uRamaphosa luzoqala eGoli.
Actually, we are quite pleased that the President will be visiting us after he had visited Mpumalanga. Obviously, we just finished our State of the Province address. There were about 13 issues that the Premier spoke about. On top of that agenda is the issue of water. So we'll hope that the conversation will obviously involve that, the issue of infrastructure that is really affecting the province.
Ukuvakasha kukaMengameli uRamaphosa kuza njengoba lesifundazwe sizobamba iqhaza elimqoka kakhulu ekusingatheni ingqungquthela ye-G20 ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka.
Idiyeli wethimba lobuholi obusha be-ANC KwaZulu-Natal uJeff Radebe uthi abeke inhlelweni zokuchitha labo abajutshwe yiqembu esishamthetho kodwa bazobe bekubhekile ukusebenza kwabo njengoba inhlangano ihlela kabusha. Leli thimba elisha leqembu esifundazweni lakhweke ngamalungu angama-67 kanti lisanda kuphuthula nje umhlangano walo wokuqala selokhu liqokiwe ngesonto eledlule.
Amalungu aphezulu ethimba lobuholi obusha be-ANC KwaZulu-Natal afuna kuqalwe isahluko esisha ngokuvuselela iqembu kulandela imphumela yokhetho lwangonyaka wedlule lapho inhlangano ilahlekelwe khona amandla okulawula isifundazwe. uRadebe uthe njengoba sebenikwa amandla okulungisa ukonakela enhlanganweni abanazi inhloso zokuqumba phansi lawo malungu ajutshelwe kuhulumeni wesifundazwe lapho bebambisene khona ne-IFP ne-DA kanye ne-NFP.
Kuzofanele sibheke into abayenzayo ukuthi isemthethweni ihamba ngomgomo kaKhongolose. Uma sibone ukuthi ayihambi ngomgomo esiwufunayo sizowabiza sibatshene ukuthi hayi bodadewethu nabafowethu le ndlela ayikho kahle. Kodwa sikho lapho njengamanje. Zonke izinto zika-ANC yizona ezizokwazi ukuthi zisitshele ukuthi bahamba ngomthetho kahulumeni, umthetho ka-ANC. Uma bengahambi ngomthetho we-ANC hayi kufanele sibakhiphe.
Umgqugquzeli wethimba lobuholi uMike Mabuyakhulu uthe ukuyihlela kabusha kwe-ANC kuzofanele kuhambisane nalokho okuyizidingo ezifunwa ngabantu bakwaZulu-Natal.
Sifuna nje ukuthi bazi abantu ukuthi u-ANC ufuna ukubeka kakhulu ukuthi abantu esibathumile bawosebenzela abantu. Ngawe okukuwona kuzobe sikubheka kakhulu ukuthi bayafika yini ebantwini, bafika ngendlela efanele, bayabahlangabezana nezidingo zabantu. Okunye ukuthi cha sizokhiphana nani akuyona inhloso yethu futhi akuyona into yethu le ake sikubeke nje umoya phansi wonke umuntu abeke umoya phansi ukuthi cha sizosebenzela kubasebenzele ukuthi silungise izinto zabantu.
Ubuholi obusha besifundazwe buzibophezele nangokuxazulula ngokusheshsha imbango yangaphakathi eqenjini.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ehleli eSaldanha Bay ilalele ukufundwa kwesitatimende esifungelwe sikamama kaJocelyn Smith esichaza kabanzi ngokunyamalala kukaSmith. Esitatimendeni-ke uthi wagcina ukubona uJocelyn edlala phandle ekhaya labo ngoNhlolanja wanyakenye.
Ngokwencazelo ebhalwe esitatimendeni uKelly Smith nongumama kaSmith uthi isoka lakhe lalikhona ekhaya labo lokuyilapho intombazanyana yagcina ukubonakala khona bobathathu abasolwa bawaphikile amacala abasolwa ngawo malungana nokunyamalala kukaJocelyn.
Just after 12 o'clock midday, I borrowed 50 rand from Carlin, which I had used to buy drugs. I went to my home and smoked the drugs with accused one. I noticed that both the children were still at home at that time.
uSmith uthi wenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukufuna indodakazi yakhe.
Just before 5 o'clock, I borrowed another 200 rand from Carlin and proceeded to my home. When I got home, accused number 1 and accused number 2 were present. I inquired from him or them as to the whereabouts of the children, and they responded by saying that Redfern was by his godfather and that Jocelyn was playing around.
Umbuso uthi izitatimende zikaSmith azihambisani njengoba esokuqala sabhalwa ngokunye ngokunyamalala kwendodakazi yakhe.
There was a mention that when Kelly arrived, she asked for where the child was, and she was told that the Rens, a lady they were smoking tech with, had sent the child to go look to check on her own child, right, who was sleeping at a house nearby. But in his statement, he does not mention that the Rens was there. I mean, Rens asked the child. She also mentions that Rens was there earlier in the morning and they smoked. In the testimony of the police officers, it's not there.
uJocelina wagcina ukubonakala emjondolo yaseSaldanha Bay kanti sekuphele isikhathi esingaphezulu konyaka nyamalala ukuthi ungathwa kwakhe kuyaqhubeka.
Mbukelisa siqoke ngapha idolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
It is happening for the second time. It is affecting our business badly.
Ukumiswa kokusebenza kweminye yemngcele eLimpopo kushaye kwazwela kakhulu kwabamabhizinisi amancane kanye nalabo abebedinga ukuphuma ngaphandle kwesifundazwe. Sibile sikubingelele mbukelo sikwamukela mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi kushona abantu abayishumi kwalimala ababalelwa ema-30 engozini ebandakanya ibhasi neloli eyenzeke emgwaqeni u-N6 phakathi kwase-Reddersburg nase-Smithfield esifundazweni i-Free State. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus ungena kuzo nje uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Ukubumbana kuyinto emqoka eqinisekiseni ukuthi akunamaphutha futhi nezakhamuzi ziyawethemba umkhakha wezisebenzi zikahulumeni lawa ngamazwi ashiwo ungqongqoshe wezisebenzi zikahulumeni inkosi uMzamo Buthelezi emhlanganweni iG20 obekuhloswe ngawo ukudingida udaba lokwenziwa kwenkohlakalo.
Lo mhlangano weyinsuku ezintathu uholele ekutheni amazwe ayingxenye yeG20 asebenzisane ekulweni nenkohlakalo. Advocate Andy Mothibi wophiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile uthi izimeliki ingafikanga ngosuku lokuqala ngenxa yeinkinga zokuhamba isibalo sabantu abahambele lo mhlangano besikahle.
The level of interaction it's really as robust as you can imagine. Issues being raised frankly but also constructively in terms of ensuring that member states input into this priorities.
Ukuqiniswa komkhakha wezisebenzi kahulumeni kungenye yezinto ezibekwe uhulumeni wakuleli eqhulwini lokhu kuthenjwa njengento engasiza kakhulu ekunqandeni inkohlakalo. Ungqongqoshe inkosi Mzamo Buthelezi uthe eminyakeni edlule kusebenzela umphakathi kuthathwe njengobizo ngenkathi ebuzwa ngomthelela wokujujwa kweinhlaka ungqongqoshe ukuvume njengenkinga lokho.
Some of our challenges came about as a result of care deployment. Hence, as the Department of Public Service and Administration, we are tasked with the responsibility to professionalize the public service.
Eyintweni ezibekwe eqhulwini wonke amazwe ayingxenye yeG20 azobamba iqhaza kuzo. Lo mhlangano uzolandelwa isithangame sokuba seBrazil ngoNhlangulana. Inqumo ezothathwa lapho ziyobe seyibekwe ithebeni zongqongqoshe.
Ihhovisi likaMcwaningi Mabhuku jikelele lithi lisabhekisisa isicelo seqembu umkhonto wesizwe sokuba kuphenywe ukuthi kwasashazwa imali engakanani ngesikhathi kuhlehliswa isabelo mali ngenyanga edlule.
The General of South Africa can confirm that it has received a letter from Umkhonto wesizwe Party requesting an investigation into the expenditure incurred in postponing the 2025 national budget. The AGSA will consider the request and respond to the party in writing after following its regulatory requirements and set due process on such requests. It is important to note that the AGSA conducts annual regulatory audits on the Parliament of the Republic of South Africa and all government departments. If any material irregularities are identified during the audits, they are reported in the audit reports of these institutions, which are tabled publicly in Parliament. It is equally important to note that the AGSA will continue to carry its constitutional mandate in a fair manner without fear, favor, or prejudice on all its audits.
Ukumiswa kokusebenza kweminye yemingcele eLimpopo kushaye kwazwela kakhulu kwabamabhizinisi amancane kanye nalabo abebedinga ukuphuma ngaphandle kwesifundazwe okubangelwe zikhukhula.
Izakhiwo ezilapha emngceleni iGroblersdorp Bridge zigcwele amanzi njengoba nempahla yezinye zezisebenzi intanta ngaphandle. Nabayiphilisa ngokuthengisa kulomngcele basele dengwane ngenxa ukuthi akukho kusebenzayo kwamanje. uSara Khunwana ngomunye kulabo abayiphilisa ngokudayisela ukudla abashayeli bamaloli aseqhube iminyaka engaphezulu kwe10.
Fushane uthi ukuvalwa komngcele kumenza angakwazi ukuqhubha ibhizinisi aziphilisa ngalo ngokondla umndeni wakhe.
Okuyinselele enkulu kulabo abayiphilisa ngokuhweba kulomngcele ngenxa ukuthi bonke abagibeli abasemisa lomngcele lujikisiwe uhlelo lwabo lokuhamba asebeyalela ukusebenzisa ezinye izintuba zemngcele.
We are just resuming a year in January and then there comes this. We are now on the 3rd month of the year and then it is happening for the second time. It is affecting our business badly.
Ibhodi lengamele ezemngcele lithi akacaci kwamanje ukuthi kuzoqala nini ukusebenza kwayo ngenxa yemvula.
It's too difficult for us as a BMA to predict when will be resumed the operations. But for now, in terms of, clearing of cargo, we've diverted some of the cargo to go to Northwest border posts, namely Skelpatsek, Kopfontein, and then also Ramataba from Limpopo province.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane wehambele eNyuvesi iFort Hare eEastern Cape njengoba ikhungethwe inkinga ezehlukene.
Abafundi bakwiYunivesithi yaseFort Hare batyala iliziko mfundo isixamali esingaphaya kweebhiliyoni yerandi. Oku kubangela abafundi baphele beziyeka izifundo zabo bengazigqibanga. Isebe lemfundo ephakamileyo lithi liwuphethe lo mcimbi.
We agreed in principle with the VC here next to me that we are going to give them a period of 5 days to do a proper analysis on those issues, because we don't want to exclude students, especially those that have got 1 or 2 outstanding modules for them to be able to complete the degrees, as well as those who are postgraduate students either doing masters or PhD, because we want to invest in research and development.
Ukanti abafundi kunye neziphathamandla kweliziko mfundo baxolile lungenelelo lwelisebe.
Convince the MEC nivumelane ba okay siyavumelana ngoku abantwana abalolididi maba unblock benziwe financial clearance so that they can register. Then ufumanisa banivumelene kuphela 2 weeks that is not being implemented.
On Friday the SRC Management Forum sits here and it's going to deal with these issues, precisely these issues. So what we will be communicating with the minister will be an outcome of discussions from now until Friday.
Kusenjalo, iziko lijongene nenkxaso ngokwezimali iNSFAS lithi lizokhe lifaka nemilomo nale dyunivesithi ngenzame zokufumana isombululo kwimiba yendawo zokuhlala abafundi. Abungile Yankis, kwiindaba ze-SABC, eDikeni.
Mbukela umhlahle wesimo sezulu uzolandela nemadlamini.
Sanibonani nakumhlahle simo sezulu sakusihlwa njalo nakusasa kulendeki ihlambi zemvula ihambisana lokuduma kwezulu esifundazweni esise Northern Cape kwehlela njalo lapha eEastern Cape kanti ke ukusukela eGauteng namaphethelo kwehlela njalo esifundazweni eSempumalanga kanjalo nalapha engxenye ephakeme KwaZulu Natal zindelekile futhi le ihlambi zemvula ngale kwaloko lebethe nje qwaqwa ngamafulu nehlanjana zemvula kwezinye indawo kanti ke kusasa le ihlambi zemvula zilindelekile nje esifundazweni esilapha eNorthern Cape kela kumakhelwane bethu iBotswana kanjalo neNamibia kanti ke esifundazweni seGauteng ukela esifundazweni seLimpopo naseMpumalanga zilindelekile le ihlambi zemvula kusasa kanti ke isixwayisa lapha ngazo le ihlambi zemvula enamandla kakhulu abantu bazibaqaphele lapha esifundazweni esiseLimpopo eMpumalanga wehlele esifundazweni esikwaZulu Natal kanti ke kusukela lapha eEastern Cape ukela engxenyeni ezilapha eNorthern Cape zilindelekile le ihlambi zemvula enamandla kakhulu hambisana nokuduma kwezulu okungaba nobungozi ke kulezo ingxenye ake sibheke ke kusasa esinye isixwayiso silindelekile futhi zazo le ihlambi zemvula abantu bazibaqaphele esifundazweni esiseNorthern Cape kanjalo nase eGauteng okele engxenye eyiseningizimu lapha yesifundazwe eseLimpopo kanjalo nasempumalanga yezulu. Kulindeleke ukuthi leke lithi ukuphola kusihlwa nje emazingeni okushisa aphansi ukusukela esifundazweni lapha esisempumalanga kwehlele esifundazweni eseFreystata, esifundazweni esilapha eEastern Cape kukomani ngo-16 degrees Celsius kanti ke entshonalanga yezwe indawo ebanda kakhulu kunazo zonke iSutherland ngo-5 degrees Celsius. Kwezinye indawo kulindelwe liphole ngasogwini olusentshonalanga yezwe. Ake sibheke amazinga okushisa aphezulu kusasa kulindelwe ukuthi lishise kakhulu kusukela eRichards Bay kwehlele lapha kuSouth Johnny's esifundazweni esempumalanga koloni lapha eEastern Cape liyashisa izulu kusukela eMthatha eNgcobo namaphethelo kokomani lifudumele izulu lishisa kakhulu kanti ke esifundazweni esilapha eLimpopo ngoMusina Phalabora kulindelwe ukuthi likhiphe umkhovejeni soshisa kakhulu ke eGauteng kwehlele njalo esifundazweni ezimaphakathi nezwe kanjalo nasengxenye eyisentshonalanga yezwe. Singakho namhlanje sifikezele sezulu makuze kube ngokuzayo okadla mina umntwana othe exabene.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona ngolikamageba kusasa bazobe bekhona kuza kwethu neindaba zolumi lwesiXhosa. Nibe nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.